Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient color to shape border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add gradient color to shape border. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape. Now I will choose shape. Now draw a shape. Now add gradient color to border shape, then click for a shape outline option. Now click for no outline. Now going to the shape fill option, then click for a gradient color option. Now click for more gradient option, then select from first color. Now click for color option. Now click for a red color and second color. Now for click, then click for choose color. Now click for OK. That's it. Now you can see add gradient color to shape border. Now click for a mouse dot button option, then click for a copy. Then again click mouse dot button, then click for a paste. Now resize your shape. Now going to the select from a to shape. Now going to the align option, then click for a center align. That is. Now click for a shape. Now going to the forward option, then click for a shape fill option. Now click for a white color. That is. Then we show add gradient color to shape border in Microsoft Publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.